I hate when people put trash in beautiful places and shit. Right there. Right where Chico took that at. Like, what the fuck, man? Not over there. Yeah. What are you doing over there, bum? Alright, look. I'm going down here. Come on. In the water. Oh, he's going to swim there. Swimming deep. Look. Watch this one do. He's going to the right back to it. I told you. I knew it. Here's the deep end. The deep part is hole. I'm going to get him from the right. All right, come on, let's go. Yeah, you trash. Get that shit, Chicky. Get it out of here. Get it. Good boy. Get it. I don't want it in there. Get it. Good boy. Get it out of there. It's nasty. Good boy. Now, come on. Oh, it fell. Go get it. Go get it. Hurry up. Go get it. Grab it. Hurry up, man, with your mouth. Not with your paw. You don't got thumbs. All right, come on. Up. Good boy, Chico. Hey. Tell the world you don't like trash. Hey, hey, hey. Tell the world you don't like trash. Look. Tell the world you don't like trash. You can speak now. Speak. All right.